that wide. I saw one about that long. And Miles. And Dad, out there, I saw a round head sticking up, sticking down, stick up, stick down, like fast.
What was it?
I don't know, but it wasn't a chicken. Wait, where was it? But it was like a chicken, but was not a beak. Then where did it go? Where is it? It was over there. I saw it at rest time. What was it like? No beak? No beak.
Like a snake?
No, it had a round head like the chickens too. Dad, try to look it up.
Like a bird without a beak?
Maybe.
Beakless bird?
No such thing.
Yeah, you're gonna rip another suture out of your foot.
Other sutures.
The stitches in your foot. Let's get this chicken away from this hawk. He's still up in that tree. Get him back this way. Round him up back this her. Round her back up this way. Is it gone? You're not a very good shepherd, Micah. Not a very good bird herder. A bird herder.
You said I'm a best bird herder.
Miles, don't walk on the ball of your foot, son. You got sutures in your foot. Did y'all check for eggs?
Yeah. I'm gonna check right now. Wait, no, how many was it? 14.
Here, I'll come with you, Micah. Look at that clean dog. Hey, buddy. Buddy and Holly. Hey, Holly. Don't slobber me. Get off me. Don't slobber me. Sit. 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 Sit.
Here's the broody hen.
Ooh, she's all. Be gentle with her. We're videoing. You don't want the ASPCA to come out. Oh, no eggs. Y'all got them all.
Yep. Oh,
Look,
14.
she looks like a gamecock or something.
14.
All right, today.
Yep.
That's not bad for 19 hens, huh? Stop!
Yeah,
Stop sticking your nose on me!
Yeah, your shirt.
Stop!
Like it's wet.
Run, Micah. Make him chase you. Go get him. Go get that child.
Doggy. I do not know how they got this.
Yeah, they got it out of the grill area.
Ooh, looky.
Ride him, Miles.
Okay. Go, Tiger. No, doggy.
Now you're gonna get slobbered.
That's your discipline, Miles.
He doesn't bite, but he slobbers.
Yeah. That's worse.
He likes that.
Holly doesn't. No. Hey.
Man, I gotta mow this lawn.
Oh,
It's the only non-wet place on the property.
by the way, Dad, Tiger was barking, like angry barking over there by that falling down
Mike
tree.
is guessing he saw a snake.
Oh, not his eyes. Be careful with it around his eyes, buddy.
Ouch.
Yeah, that thing's gone now. That'll be in like 60 pieces when we come back out.
60?
That'll be Christmas ornaments when we come back out here.